This is a LearnDash course, and I see I am logged in to one course and not other courses. Let me show you how you can auto enroll people from your CRM to Learn. If I visit the Foundation Training 2018 course, you can see there is a LCW content protection meta box where I set the LearnDash auto enrollment tags. I added the tag FT 2018 in this course, Foundation Training 2019. I added the tags FT 2019. This is the house clearing training. The tag is house clearing training for these courses. Let me show you how I am logged in. I am logged in with this email, city, and this is billing data. These are custom fields and these are coming from the CRM. If I visit CRM, you can see my next billing date, my city. This is my city. This is the email that I saw there. Here, I have tags Foundation Training 2019. If I go to my course page, I have access to Foundation Training 19. If I add tag Foundation Training 2018, let me add the tag Foundation Training 2018. I have added a tag to this contact. So I need to force sync because I am in a local host. Otherwise, if I am in a live site, I can send a webhook when a tag is added or removed. So the webhook will automatically update this data. But I am in localhost, so I need to sync the data. If I visit the course page, yeah, I enrolled. Let me add another tag for this house clearing. Add this tag and sync the data. Then if I visit the course page, yeah, I am enrolled. Let's delete this course. If I remove this 2019 tags and if I sync the tag and visit the course page, yes, I am not enrolled. The enrollment is removed. This is how we can automate the enrollment and remove enrollment from our CRM directly to LearnDash. Here, you can set a workflow when someone purchases a product, purchases a course, then just add a tag for that course. So that person will automatically enrolled to your LearnDash. That's it. Thank you so much. Have a good day.